Get ready to be amazed because this you seriously need. See, this is officially taking over the internet. You won't believe what I stumbled upon today. If you highly value smart solutions, you already know that it feels incredibly high quality. It is crafted specifically to make your life much smoother. What makes this so unique compared to ordinary items is that it works better than anything else in the market. No more wasting your hard-earned cash on things that break after 2 days. This piece is built tough, highly efficient, and super simple to operate. It is clearly super practical for everyday use for anyone trying to upgrade their current setup. Demand is extremely high for this right now. Make sure you don't miss this opportunity before the price goes back up. Get ready to be amazed because this you seriously need. See, this is officially taking over the internet. You won't believe what I stumbled upon today. If you highly